You're about to see a lineup that quietly redefines what modern tools can actually do, and most people haven't even noticed it yet. On TechVerse, we've uncovered 20 brand new releases from Makita, now live on Amazon, and every single one is linked in the description so you can explore them yourself. Watch closely, because one of these tools might completely change the way you work. Belt sander. You're working on a wooden surface that needs to feel perfectly smooth, but uneven patches keep ruining the finish. This is where the Makita belt sander steps in with consistent, controlled power. Its 8.8 amp motor delivers strong performance while staying relatively quiet, making long sanding sessions more comfortable. The variable speed control lets you adjust for different materials, and the auto tracking system keeps the belt aligned without constant corrections. With its ergonomic front grip and efficient dust collection, it turns a tiring job into a clean, precise process that actually feels manageable. Chainsaw 18V Elixed Cordless Chainsaw. You're out in the yard, dealing with fallen branches or cutting firewood, and the last thing you want is the hassle of gas, fumes, or constant maintenance. This is where the Makita 18V Elixed Cordless Chainsaw makes a real difference. Its brushless motor delivers smooth, efficient cutting with a 14-inch bar, while the battery-powered design keeps things quiet and clean. The compact rear handle layout improves control, and the tool-less chain adjustment saves time on the job. It's a practical, low-maintenance solution that gets cutting work done without slowing you down. Self-leveling 363 Plain green laser 700 GDNA-J. You're setting up cabinets or aligning tiles, and even a small misalignment can throw off the entire job. The Makita SK700 GDNA steps in with 3 full 360-degree green laser planes that project clear, highly visible lines across the workspace. It self-levels quickly, even on slightly uneven surfaces, saving time during setup. With visibility up to around 115 feet and strong accuracy, it's built for precision tasks. The compact, durable design handles job site conditions well, making it a dependable choice for anyone who needs consistent, accurate layout results. Hedge Trimmer 18V Cordless. You're trimming overgrown hedges, and heavy gas tools quickly become tiring and messy to handle. The Makita 18V Cordless Hedge Trimmer offers a cleaner and quieter alternative that feels much easier to control. Its lightweight design, around 30% lighter than typical gas models, reduces fatigue during longer sessions. The 24-inch dual-action blade delivers smooth, fast cuts, even through thicker branches. With no fuel or oil required, maintenance stays minimal. It's a simple, efficient solution that keeps your garden looking sharp without the usual hassle. Cut-off tool 18V 3-inch. You're cutting metal or tile in a tight spot where a full-size tool just won't fit. The Makita 18V 3-inch cut-off tool is built exactly for that kind of situation. Its brushless motor spins up to 20,000 RPM, delivering fast, clean cuts with precision. The compact, one-hand design makes it easy to control in confined spaces, while the forward and reverse switch helps manage debris direction. With a tool-less dust guard and up to 5/8-inch cutting depth, it's a reliable choice for quick, accurate cutting jobs where space is limited. Dual-stage vacuum pump DVP 181ZK. You're installing or servicing an air conditioning system, and pulling a deep, reliable vacuum is critical before charging the system. The Makita DVP 181ZK makes this process efficient with its cordless dual-stage design, delivering strong suction and a flow rate of up to 113 liters per minute. Running on an 18V battery system with dual battery support, it offers extended runtime for larger jobs. The built-in check valve prevents backflow, and multiple inlet ports add flexibility. It's a dependable solution for FAC professionals who need consistent performance on site without relying on cords. High-speed blower, cordless inflator/blower. You're cleaning dust out of tight corners or inflating gear, and a bulky tool just slows you down. The Makita high-speed cordless blower is built for quick, precise tasks like these. Powered by an 18V battery and a brushless motor, it delivers strong airflow while staying compact and easy to handle. With 4 speed settings and multiple nozzle options, you can switch from delicate cleaning to more powerful airflow in seconds. The built-in LED light helps in low-light areas, making it a practical everyday tool that adapts to different small but essential jobs. Framing nailer, 18V cordless. You're on a framing job. Moving from one section to another and dragging a compressor hose behind you slows everything down. The Makita 18V cordless framing nailer removes that limitation completely. It drives full round head nails with consistent power and can handle up to around 1,000 nails on a single charge. You can switch between single fire and bump mode depending on the task, while the tool less depth adjustment keeps results accurate. With its balanced design and built-in LED light, it's a reliable choice for fast, efficient framing work on site. Slide compound miter saw 10A. You're cutting trim or framing pieces, and even a slight inaccuracy can ruin the fit. The Makita 10-inch slide compound miter saw is designed to deliver clean, precise cuts every time. Its 13-amp motor provides up to 4,500 RPM, giving smooth performance across different wood types. The sliding system allows wider crosscuts, while the adjustable angles make bevel and miter cuts straightforward. With a soft start feature and built-in LED light, it improves control and visibility, making it a dependable choice for accurate, professional quality cutting on any job. Polisher 7-inch variable speed. You're working on a car finish or polishing a surface, and uneven speed can leave swirl marks or an inconsistent shine. The Makita 7-inch variable speed polisher gives you the control needed for a smooth, professional result. With its adjustable speed dial and trigger, you can match the speed to the task, while the constant speed control maintains performance under load. The soft start reduces splatter at startup, and the rubberized handle improves comfort during longer sessions. It's a reliable tool for achieving clean, consistent polishing without unnecessary effort. Wet-dry vacuum. Adventure. You're cleaning up after an outdoor trip, dealing with dust, debris, and even small liquid spills, and a regular vacuum just isn't built for that kind of job. The Makita Outdoor Adventure Wet/Dry Vacuum is designed for exactly this situation. Its cordless, lightweight build makes it easy to carry anywhere, while the brushless motor provides strong suction with 2 speed options. The HEPA filter helps capture fine dust, keeping the air cleaner. With up to 60 minutes of runtime, it's a practical solution for reliable cleaning wherever your work or travel takes you. Circular Saw, 36V rear handle. You're cutting thick lumber on site, and you need the power of a corded saw without being tied down by cables. The Makita 36V rear handle circular saw delivers that balance, with 2 18V batteries working together to produce strong, consistent output. Its brushless motor reaches around 5,100 RPM, allowing smooth, fast cuts through dense wood. The saw also adjusts speed automatically based on load, helping maintain control and efficiency. With its rear handle design and solid build, it's a dependable option for demanding cutting tasks where both power and mobility matter. Cordless Blower, 18V licks. You're clearing leaves from a driveway or blowing dust out of a workspace, and you need something powerful yet easy to handle. The Makita 18V LX cordless blower delivers strong airflow up to around 459 CFM, with speeds reaching 116 mph, making cleanup quick and efficient. Its brushless motor improves performance and extends tool life, while the variable speed trigger and cruise control give you better control during use. Lightweight at about 6.5 pounds, it stays comfortable even during longer sessions, making it a practical choice for everyday outdoor cleaning tasks. Plunge Circular Saw, 6.5. You're working on a cabinet or flooring project where clean, precise cuts matter and tear out can ruin the finish. The Makita 6.5-inch Plunge Circular Saw is built for that level of accuracy. Its 12-amp motor delivers smooth cutting performance, while the variable speed control lets you match the blade speed to different materials. The plunge mechanism allows controlled entry cuts, especially useful for interior cuts. With a soft start, bevel capability, and depth adjustment, it provides the control needed for clean, splinter-free results in detailed woodworking tasks. Cordless Vacuum XLC10ZW. You're doing a quick cleanup after a job, and pulling out a full-size vacuum just feels unnecessary. The Makita XLC1010ZW cordless vacuum is designed for those fast, everyday tasks where convenience matters. It runs on an 18V battery and uses a brushless motor to deliver solid suction up to about 42 CFM. With 4 speed modes, you can adjust power based on the mess. Its lightweight design and built-in LED light make it easy to use in tight or dark spaces. It's a simple, efficient tool for keeping your workspace clean without slowing you down. Finishing sander, 18V Lext. You're putting the final touch on a wood project, and even small imperfections can ruin the overall look. The Makita 18V Lext brushless finishing sander is built to deliver a smooth, consistent finish without swirl marks. Its brushless motor provides reliable performance, while the 3-speed settings up to 12,000 RPM let you adjust for different surfaces. The compact orbit helps create an even finish, and the low vibration design keeps it comfortable during longer use. It's a dependable tool for achieving clean, professional results in detailed finishing work. Top Handle Jig Saw JV0600K. You're cutting curves or detailed shapes, and precision becomes more important than speed. The Makita JV0600K Top Handle Jig Saw gives you that control with its 6.5 amp motor and variable speed from 500 to 3100 strokes per minute. You can adjust the cutting style using 3 orbital settings, depending on the material and finish you need. The tool-less blade change saves time, and the built-in dust port helps keep your line visible. With low vibration and a comfortable grip, it's a reliable choice for accurate, detailed cutting work. Sander/polisher combo 18V lengthy. You're switching between polishing and sanding during a project, and constantly changing tools slows everything down. The Makita 18V Lext sander/polisher combo is designed to handle both tasks in one compact unit. Its brushless motor delivers efficient performance with 2 speed modes, up to 2,800 RPM for polishing and around 9,500 RPM for sanding. The tool-free accessory change makes transitions quick, while the soft grip and side handle improve control. It's a practical option for detail work where flexibility and convenience can save both time and effort. Pruning Saw XCU14Z1 6-inch. You're trimming small branches in your garden, and a full-size chainsaw feels too heavy and unnecessary. The Makita XCU14Z1 6-inch pruning saw is built for quick, controlled cutting in these situations. Its brushless motor delivers efficient power, while the compact design makes it easy to handle with one hand. The tool-less chain adjustment saves time, and the retractable guard adds an extra layer of safety. With the ability to make multiple cuts on a single charge, it's a practical solution for light pruning and everyday yard maintenance. Cordless Multi-Tool XMT03Z. You're in the middle of a renovation. Switching between cutting, sanding, and scraping, and constantly changing tools starts slowing everything down. The Makita XMT03Z Cordless Multi-Tool simplifies that workflow with one versatile solution. It runs on an 18V battery and offers adjustable speed from 6,000 to 20,000 RPM, allowing you to match performance to the task. The 3.2-degree oscillation angle helps deliver faster, more controlled cuts, while the slim body improves handling in tight spaces. It's a reliable all-in-one tool that keeps your work efficient and uninterrupted. This lineup proves that modern tools are becoming smarter, more efficient, and easier to use than ever before. If you found a tool that fits your workflow, make sure to check the links in the description and explore more details. Don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to TechVerse for more real, practical tech reviews that actually help you choose better.